Good morning students. Today we are going to deal with assignment class 10th nationalism in India. Let's see the first question. Which act did not permit plantation workers to leave the tea garden without permission? The answer is Inland Immigration Act of 1859. Under Inland Immigration Act of 1859, the plantation workers were not permitted to move freely or rarely they got a permission. Let's see the second question. When was non-cooperation movement withdrawn by Gandhiji? Give reason. Non-cooperation movement was withdrawn by Mahatma Gandhi in 1922 with Chauri Chaura incidents. So there was a peaceful demonstration which was going on, and this peaceful demonstration turned into a violent incidents. Hence, non-cooperation movement was withdrawn in 1922 because of a violent incidents in Chauri Chaura, Gorakhpur district, Uttar Pradesh. Let's see the third question. Who were the founders of Swaraj Party? The founders of Swaraj Party were Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. So some of the Congress leaders, as you all know, that they wanted to contest for elections and they wanted to get reforms instead of participating in mass struggle. Hence, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru founded Swaraj Party. What is the next question? What is the importance of Lahore session of Congress 1929? So Lahore session was significant in the freedom struggle because it was a session in which the demand of Purna Swaraj or full independence day for India was made. January 26, 1929, first time the tricolor flag was hoisted. So they have taken oath to celebrate Purna Swaraj or full independence. Fine. So next question, who announced a vague offer of Dominion status for India in 1929? It is Viceroy Irwin who announced Dominion status for India because they wanted to, give certain reforms to India, because when the freedom struggle was going on, so they wanted to do the freedom struggle leaders. So what did they do? Instead of giving complete independence, they offered Dominion status, and they were asked to participate in the round table conference, but it was rejected by the leaders. Okay, what is the next question? Name the commission which was formed to look into the functioning of the constitutional system in India. Who was the president of the commission? So under the Tory government in Britain, so they have set up a commission, Simon Commission. Sir John Simon was the president. He was the one who was asked to look into the constitutional system in India and suggest certain reforms. But as you all know that it was Simon Commission was rejected. Why? Because they were all Britishers. There were no Indian members. Fine. So what was the next question? What did Swaraj meant to the plantation workers in Assam? This is the first question. We have already seen that. Fine. For the plantation workers in Assam, Swaraj meant retaining a link with their villages. See here, Swaraj meant for different people, different meaning. So here for plantation workers, they wanted to move freely and they wanted to have a link with their villages, but under the Immigration Act of 1859 they were not permitted. So what does Swaraj meant to the plantation workers? For the plantation workers in Assam, Swaraj meant retaining a link with their villages. They wanted to go back to their villages and they wanted to move freely. So this is what Swaraj meant for them. So during which year agricultural prices began to fall down due to economic depression? 1926 to 1930, it was the year of economic depression, great economic depression, which started in USA and it hit all over the world. So in India also this economic depression was hit, and because of this the prices were fell down. So agricultural prices began to fall down because of the economic depression which took place in 1926 and 30. Thank you so much.